On the 12th day of Vlogmas Ambitious gave to you a Rice Krispie party snack how-to. Let's get started. First, I will show you how I created the Rice Krispie treats labels. I used the same elements from our DIY label tutorial. I will link that video in the description below. With the Rice Krispie treats, there will be 2 labels per page. And when we're done customizing our label, we will save and print our image. For this tutorial, you will need Rice Krispies, the labels we just printed out, scissors, double-sided tape, and a sealer. First, we're going to cut out our labels. Next, we're going to get the double-sided tape and tape the back perimeter of our label. Remove the backing of the double-sided tape. Grab your Rice Krispie treat. Place it in the middle of our label. And then we're going to fold the 2 short sides. This is the exact same method that we used with the chip bags. Then we're going to fold down the part that we just folded together. Next, we're going to press the top close, starting in the middle and working your way to the outside. And then we're going to do the same for the bottom. And I will show you this process again. And if you've made it this far in the video, I do have the Rice Krispie treats template available for you. I will have it on my blog, and I will leave a link in the description below. Next, we're going to grab our sealer. And we're going to seal both ends for about 5 seconds each. And when you're done, you can look at your beautiful, customized Rice Krispie treat. And thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button. And if you would like to see more tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. I had so much fun this year during Vlogmas. It was very different for me, and I'm so happy that you guys stayed tuned. I will be back with you guys soon. And as always, stay ambitious.